and welcome to JK News Network. You're watching Evening Bulletin with Bushra Naseem. Here we bring the updated news from India and all around the world. So let's get started. Bharat Bandh today in protest against the Agriculture Bill Security Chowk. The Bharat Bandh has been called by the farmers across the country today on 25th September to protest against the Agriculture Bill passed by the central government. The Bandh was called by the Bharatiya Kisan Union and All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Community. Along with these two organizations, there are about 250 organizations which has announced to support this nationwide Bandh. This shutdown is likely to have a significant impact on many states. PM Modi says about the farm bill to benefit small marginal farmers, hitting out at the opposition at its attack on its government over the farm bill issue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Friday that those who always lied to the farmers are now shooting from the shoulders and misleading them for their own political benefit. Addressing BJP leaders and workers on the birth anniversary of party ideology, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Mr. Modi asked them to reach out to farmers on the ground and inform them about the details and benefits of the new agriculture reforms and how these empower them. On Ground Connect will finish off the propaganda being spread about the reforms, he said. Mr. Modi said small and the marginal farmers who constitute 85% of the peasant community will benefit the most of these reforms, which he added give them an option to sell their produce outside agriculture mandis for a better price. Attacking the Congress, which has been trying to mount a nationwide protest against these bills. Mr. Modi said the hollow slogans were given in the favor of the farmers and workers for many decades since independence, and the government at the center and the states were formed in their names. All that farmers and laborers got was jumbled web of the promise and laws, he said. They are spreading rumors, saving the farmers from such rumors and explaining the importance of the agriculture reforms in the responsibility and duty of all BJP workers, because we have to make the future of the farmers bright, said Mr. Modi. Security Chowk in Jharkhand. The Bharat Bandh call in the opposition to the agriculture bill has the support of more than a dozen of social and political organizations in Jharkhand. The security system has been tightened in the view of the Bandh in the state. The ruling JMM also has a moral support for the Bandh. So that's all for today. For more updated news, stay connected with JK News Network. So do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.